What's up, people? What's happening? What's happening? I was stopped to buy sunglasses. I was fucked up. I was have two glasses, then fucked up both. So I was have to stop to buy some random glasses. That is when you don't think about something. Something was happened with this one also. There is here things I must repair later. I will see what's happened. I will see later. So situation is I am in where am I now? I am here near after Darmstadt. And I'm driving to Obermorland. Not so bad, not so bad. Oba.
After 300 meters, take the highway.
Stop. So I'm driving to Obermorland. I have 7-8 customers today, but everything is here near. The longest distance is this Obermorland, 1.5 hours. Then what's up?
Take the highway.
Then I have couple of customers tomorrow morning and go home tomorrow.
Please follow the route for 51 kilometers.
Then I have 51 minutes until this customer, so shit, man. This stuff is so shit. So shit truck. Now this button here, this button, when I need to control tempomat and everything, it's not working. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening with this DAF truck. We will see. I think it's time to change the company. Truck, company, everything. Life completely. Yesterday I was my forklift was one pipe was broke down and the whole street was with oil. So 20-25 meters with oil. Today company must came to clean that, and it was really shit. This mechanical, he was 3 hours repaired that. Then I was later 1 hour clean the street with some I don't know, with some stuff. Put stuff on the oil. Wait 5 minutes, then pick it up. I don't know how here is Pulver in Deutschland, in Germany. Here is. See you guys later. because this last customer I cannot reach with trailer over there. So I have to finish this 3 customer, then leave the trailer somewhere on parking place on the highway, and then I can drive further. I don't like when I get this tour here in Deer Company. You have whole day work for 120 kilometers maybe. But okay, man's gonna do what man's gonna do. See you later. Thank you.